So this video is especially for students who are like right now at my age, and I want them to specially focus because this is a thing I'm going to tell you that you have to apply in your life. So for that you have to watch this whole video what I'm saying, and you have to apply in your life. So guys, my name is Virendra and I'm here to help 100,000 students to build their internet lifestyle. So guys, what I have to tell you in this video is that if you are just focusing on formal education, but I want you to start with doing a self education. Start with small investment. Don't like invest like me like 5,000, 10,000 directly. I want you to start investing like, for example, 300, 400, that kind of amount of money. Like for example, if you have some event or seminar is going on, invest in that, invest in those type of courses, seminars, and start like building some, start learning from the people who are successful, the people who have done something in their life, who have the people who have achieved more, achieved in their life. Those things you have to follow them, you have to learn from them, because when you start learning from self education has a power to change your life to what kind of life you want, what kind of dream you have thought about, everything gonna possible. But for that you have to make investment, and you have to invest for learning. You have to invest money to learn, to upgrade yourself. So the person you are thinking right now, like for example this is you right now, and the person you have to become, so there is a very big difference. So for to decrease that difference, what you have to do to achieve that difference, what you have to do is you have to do investment. You have to learn from the people, you have to buy courses, you have to apply in your life, you have to practice, you have to engage with more people. So these kind of things gonna actually make you successful. So start doing that, and just simply start by actually investing 1 hour every single day. I'm saying every single day, at least invest some money on actually learning from someone, or start with like giving 1 hour on self education. Learn from YouTube. You will find YouTube, Google, there are so many kind of platform where you can learn. Like you can listen to podcast. So there are so many like software and available right now, apps everywhere. You can follow the right people, and you can follow them to to understand that what kind of power you have to, like when you keep on learning. And what will happen that when you when you keep increasing the investment what you are did, like right now for example, if you are investing 300, for example, let's say 100 a month, but after some time you keep building that investment, and you thinking that, because you know what, if you think you want to become successful, if you want to become rich by helping other people, so first of all you have to understand that if you are not ready to buy a course which is like around 5,000, so how did you think about people will gonna buy from you the same course if you are gonna sell for 3,000, 4,000? So this is like you have to understand that this is like an inner world. This is like what do you think, how you believe, like what kind of intention you have. So everything starts, people are gonna see in yourself what kind of things you believe and what kind of things you are not believing. So you have to understand that to achieve the people who are right now achieving like more than 10, 15, 20 lakhs a month. So to become those kind of people, you have to do continuous investment in yourself. It is like a learning process. It is like a compound effect. The compound effect tell you that, so everything what you do, your activities and everything keep compounding. So that's why you have to believe in that, and you have to start even spending 1 hour on your education, self education. Find your industry, what you truly love to do, what kind of things you truly love to do, and what do you will gonna do after 10 years, 15, 20, 30 years, or even till death, what kind of things you love to do. So understand that, and find those industry, and find those people who are actually teaching in that industry, and you are highly successful in that industry, and spend 1 hour, invest 1 hour in like learning from those kind of people, and start buying courses, seminars to upgrade yourself. You have to become valuable. And how you can become valuable? By investing more money on yourself. After, you know what, so I've read this thing, like you have to work harder on yourself than what you do at your job. You have to understand that the people who are highly rich, highly successful are not the one who like work harder on their jobs or something, are the one who work harder on themselves, to upgrading themselves, to learning skills, to like building assets, all those things. So you have to understand this, and you have to become the person who literally working harder on himself to become the best version of himself, the best and best of version of himself. So be that kind of person and achieve greatness in your life. So start with investing 1 hour, and then start keep building it. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, so please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm going to try give that much of value that will gonna actually help you. This is like a small steps, but you have to, when you take it, it will gonna help you. That's why you are watching this video, because you are not here to just waste time. So you should at some points where you can actually learn something. So that's why I made this video, and I want you to connect with me like in Instagram, TikTok, and I'm like going more active on TikTok and Instagram. So I want you to follow in that kind of apps. So if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and like button, and you comment down what kind of things you have to learn from me, so that I can help you on achieving those things. So have a great day.